When you hear about Dubai, what comes to your mind? I think about a faraway, exotic, and luxurious city in the Middle East. A small island forming a palm tree where you can see it from space, heart shapes in the middle of the desert, or impressive towers lighting up the city during the night. I think you all have the same impression. The view, check this out. But today, I am making this trip a reality. I don't have time to plan the entire trip, and I only have 42 hours. I see a ticket available from Miami to New York and then flying from Emirates Airlines towards Dubai. Why not? I've never flown on this airline before, so this is my chance. My challenge is to coordinate the trip with Lyubachka. She is in Volgograd, Russia. She needs to travel from Volgograd to Moscow and then to Dubai. I need to arrive in Dubai before Lyubachka does. Wait, I only have 5 days to explore the city. Is it really a good idea to make this trip in just a short deadline? I should better not overthink too much about it, and let's keep moving. Now that I have plane tickets and an apartment for 5 nights, I have less than 24 hours to go to the airport. As a USA citizen, do I need a visa to enter Dubai? Americans with US passports valid for more than 6 months are welcome to enter the UAE. I do not need to obtain a visa to enter the country if the duration of stay is less than 1 month. This includes travel for business, tourism, or in transit. Okay, so I really need to pack. This is ready, so I need to make this happen because I don't have many hours. Actually, I really need to go very soon to the airport. Wish me luck! So I just arrived to Dubai and now I'm on my way to the hotel, and I have this amazing nice gentleman that is taking me to the hotel. The weather is pretty much similar as in Florida. I'm gonna try to enjoy the ride. Look at these amazing beautiful buildings and the view. Check this out. What's up guys? So finally I am in the apartment, and actually it took me a while to be here from the airport because I was dealing with something that I did not expect it because of my fault. The situation was this. So when traveling, I usually bring my credit cards and my bank cards with me, but never cash. It is not a good practice, I know, and I don't recommend it. Instead, I suggest carrying some cash with you, at least $100. I like to go to the money exchange offices or the ATMs directly from the airport, which always worked for me. Unfortunately, when I attempted to use the ATMs from the Dubai airport, it did not accept my bank card, and when I went to the money exchange office, they only accepted cash.
Just send your cash.
Alright guys, so in the meantime I just really need to take a shower. I need to get fresh once again and be awake because the jet lag is really hitting me. I'll see you soon. I'm trying to learn a few words in Arabic. It is like a market. It is a market. Its name is BUR Dubai Souk, right? BUR Dubai Souk. Perfect. You see, I'm trying. So these were my first Arabic words. Alright, so I just got to the bazaar. It really covers many blocks through the area, and I'm right here by the water. I still need to figure it out where exactly I am located right now. The hotel where I am staying is located at the neighborhood of Al Jadaf waterfront, also known as Dubai Culture Village of Dubai Creek. But now I will talk about one of the old neighborhoods in Dubai. The BUR Dubai Souk. I finally pronounced it right. The BUR Dubai Souk is one of the top Dubai markets located at the southern side of the Dubai Creek. This market is well known as the textile souk or the old souk. If you are a lover of exotic fabrics, then you should pay a visit to this grand market.
Tea, Arabian fruit tea, and good for health, good for sleeping. And this one masala tea, Arabian masala tea.
Masala tea.
Yeah, inside mix cardamom, cinnamon, rosemary. This is good for stomach, good for diabetes, good for slimming. Curcuma tea, turmeric.
Can I smell it?
Yeah, eucalyptus.
Okay, let's see. Oh wow.
This is good for nose, good for cough, good for sinus.
I was amazed by the burst of color from all the fabrics, including fine silks, airy cottons, and sari fabrics at very reasonable prices. Clothes in the Middle East are a fashion statement, just like they are in the West, but clothing here has a more profound social and moral dimension.
Oh, Sheikh Danny.
Oh, look at this. Ah.
We wear the glasses.
See? Oh, you want me to wear the glasses? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna wear the glasses. So now I'm gonna be a cool Sheikh.
Yeah.
A cool president Sheikh.
Yeah, the president of Dubai, Sheikh.
According with the garment, the wearer can signal its region, social class, wealth, and even personality, while Dubai is the most progressive state among the Emirates. In terms of clothing, women in the Emirates wear abaya and men wear the shemak, which is mostly white, but often found in the renowned Jordanian red and white pattern. But if you want to go very fashionable, then you need to look for a kandra or for dish tasha. Alright, so I am sitting right on the mosque. Let me tell you the truth, I am so exhausted. I haven't slept for more than 24 hours, so literally my eyes are completely closing. I just called the Uber and see if I can go back to the hotel. I need to recover because the upcoming days there's gonna be a lot to do. These are my first impressions as an American since the moment I land in Dubai or Old Dubai. Dubai has a modern airport, but bring cash if the ATMs give you a hard time. Modern infrastructure. There is a diversity of people with nationalities from all over the world. Some Arabic words are not easy to pronounce, so it is nice to practice on words. Just be ready. BUR Dubai Souk, right? Many people speak English very well. It is very clean. The vendors here can be pushy, but they are fun, respectful, and friendly. It is very secure, and the weather during the winter goes around 80 degrees Fahrenheit. These were my expenses at the moment of my arrival. Airport to the hotel at Al Jadaf, 70 dirham or $19 US. From Al Jadaf to Al Fahidi or the BUR Dubai Souk, 49 dirham or $13 US.
Just send your cash.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Uber, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
How are you, sir?
Tired. Exhausted.